Hello guys, I'm Gopinath from Unbox Expert. Today we are going to unbox and review the wybor 24-inch LED TV. It was 768 pixels, so it was a HD TV. It has a wybor brand name on the box and has some major functions on it. It was a 5-star rated TV, so it consumes a lot less power than other TVs. So let's come to the price. It was around 10,690. It also available on Flipkart with discounted prices. Check the links in the description below for it. So let's unbox it. The overall package is good and supported with thermocol sheets on both the sides. In the box there is another package consists of TV stands to mount the TV on a table and a remote control to control the TV, and has batteries for the remote and has some screws for the mountings. There's a manual that attached to the box and some screws for the wall mount. The TV was wrapped neatly in a cover. There is a warranty card sticker to the TV. It has some specs displayed on the TV. The TV was light in weight and easy to hold. It has a wybor brand name on the front and it has some function keys on the side. It has HDMI, VGA and PC cables on the back. Here you can see the HDMI, VGA and PC input cables on the back and TV out in and 3.5mm headphone jack on the side. There were two stereo speakers on the bottom of the TV. So finally I fixed the stand and it looks like this. It really holds the entire TV unit rigidly. I plugged in the TV and let's power up from the remote. The remote is quite small to hold and has some basic functions. So let's click the power button. Wow, nice. Looks great. I have a pen drive, so let's play a video. By the way, it has two USB slots, so we can use any of them. So click on the source and select the media. On that, select preferred movie or songs or images to play. So I want to play a video. I am selecting movie on it and select the required video. I am playing a 4K video. So let's see how it performs. This is a 4K video and it played very well. The colors were really accurate and the volume was loud enough even on 16. It has a different picture options like dynamic, picture, user and standard, and also sound modes for music, user, sports, for different experiences. Overall, this is a great budget TV. We can also claim extra warranty on this product. So watch. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.